Hey everyone, it's Tony. Welcome back to my channel. Long hair is amazing, but sometimes it just feels like it's getting in the way, right? Like I love swishing it around as much as the next person, but other times it's just much easier to have it up and out of the way. And don't even get me started on those hot summer days. That's where updos come in. They're honestly such a lifesaver because they're a quick and easy way to look polished and put together, no matter what your hair texture is. Honestly, it's like magic. You can go from drab to fab in like 5 minutes flat. So, in this video I'm showing you 30, yes, you heard that right, 30 easy updos for long hair. We'll be covering everything from simple everyday styles to ones that are perfect for special occasions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, I promise you'll find some new faves in here. Ready to get started? Let's go. First up, let's talk casual chic. You know those days when you want to look cute but don't want to put in a ton of effort? These updos are perfect for that. Think effortless, messy buns and braids. They're the kind of styles you can just throw together in a couple of minutes and still look amazing. One of my go-to casual updos is the messy bun. It's so easy. Just gather your hair into a high ponytail, twist it into a bun, and secure it with a hair tie. Then pull out a few strands around your face to soften the look. You can also try a low, messy bun for a more relaxed vibe. Braids are another great option for casual updos. A simple French braid or a Dutch braid can instantly elevate your look. Okay, let's be real. We all have those mornings where we hit the snooze button one too many times. But don't worry. These quick and easy updos are here to save the day. They're perfect for those mornings when you're rushing out the door but still want to look amazing. My absolute favorite quick and easy updo is the half-up, half-down ponytail. Just gather the top section of your hair and tie it into a ponytail. You can leave it as is, or twist it into a bun for a little something extra. Another great option is the low bun. Just gather your hair at the nape of your neck, twist it into a bun, and secure it with a hair tie. Sometimes you just want a simple updo that's easy to replicate and looks effortlessly chic. And let's be honest, sometimes we just don't have the energy for anything too complicated, right? These simple updos are perfect for those days. For this section, I'm going to show you a few of my go-to simple updos that are perfect for everyday wear. We'll be doing a classic French twist, a sleek low bun, a simple braided updo, a half-up twisted hairstyle, and a voluminous ponytail. Don't worry, these are all super easy to follow along with, even if you're not a hair pro. Now it's time to get a little bit fancy. Whether you have a date night, a wedding, or just want to feel a bit more glamorous, these elegant updos are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your look. Think sleek chignons, romantic braids, and intricate updos that are sure to turn heads. Don't worry, we'll break down each style step by step so you can recreate them at home. Alright, who's ready for a challenge? In this chapter, we're taking things up a notch with some more elaborate updos. These styles are perfect for when you want to make a statement and really stand out from the crowd. We'll be creating intricate braids, adding hair accessories, and experimenting with different textures. Don't be afraid to get creative and put your own spin on these styles. Let's be real. Bobby pins can be both our best friends and our worst enemies, right? In this chapter, I'm sharing some of my top tips and tricks for getting those pesky bobby pins to actually stay put. We'll also cover other helpful hacks, like how to create volume, how to conceal those pesky flyaways, and how to make your updos last all day long. Must-have tools. Like, it's not just about the hair tie. Having the right tools can make all the difference when it comes to creating amazing updos. In this chapter, we're going through my must-have tools for creating gorgeous updos. We'll be talking about everything from hair elastics and bobby pins to combs, brushes, and those spiral spin pins that are like weirdly satisfying to use. Chapter 8. Product recommendations. Because good hair days start in the shower, kind of. Okay, let's talk products. The right hair products can seriously up your updo game, adding volume, texture, and hold. In this chapter, I'm sharing some of my all-time favorite products for creating amazing updos. We'll be talking about hairspray, obs, dry shampoo, texturizing sprays, and more. Chapter 9. Where to buy. Don't worry, I got you. I know it can be annoying to find out about amazing products and then not know where to buy them. So, for all the products I mention in this video, I'll put links in the description box down below. You can find everything from high street faves to those slightly more bougie brands that are totally worth it. Chapter 10. Diverse styles. Because hair is not one size fits all. One of the best things about updos is that they can be adapted to suit any hair type and length. In this chapter, I'll be showing you variations of different updos to suit different hair textures and lengths. We'll be talking about everything from fine hair to thick hair, straight hair to curly hair. Remember, there's an updo out there for everyone. Chapter 11. Experimentation. Find your signature style. The most important thing is to have fun and experiment with different styles until you find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try different things and put your own unique spin on these updos. Add in some braids, try different partings, experiment with accessories. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 12. Tips for success, like how to not get discouraged when your hair has other plans. Learning new hairstyles can be a bit tricky at first, but don't get discouraged if your first few attempts don't turn out exactly how you imagined. Practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with different styles, the easier it will become. Remember to start with the basics and gradually work your way up to more complicated styles. And most importantly, have fun with it. That's a wrap! Now go create some hair magic. And there you have it, my loves. We covered 30 easy updos for long hair, from everyday looks to special occasion styles. I hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to try out some of these styles yourself. Which updo was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask away. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials, tips, and tricks. Happy styling!